What's up, Flowstar family? My name is Brienne, and today I'm going to be teaching you the double horizontal figure 8, which looks just like this. You can also do that going the other way towards your body, and that looks like this. So a prerequisite for this move is going to be your horizontal figure 8. Go check out our tutorial on that if you haven't yet. And you're going to want to be very comfortable with that move on both hands. So practice going both directions on both hands and get really comfortable with it. For your horizontal figure 8, I like to give the comparison of holding a glass of water and trying not to spill that water. So pretend you have a glass of water in your hand and rotate your wrist around and try your best not to spill that water out of the glass. Now grab your Flowstar in the middle of the points, and you're going to have your fingertips down, and you're going to have your wrist in a little bit of an L shape and flick it out, going around, doing that horizontal 8. Really nail that, and then go around the other way. And you're going to practice that with both hands. Once you feel comfortable with that, you'll be able to play around with your doubles. So take both of your Flowstars and get that L shape in your wrist. Try to flick them out at the same time, going above your forearms and then back down underneath like this. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, just like that. And the tighter your wrists are, the easier it'll be to keep that horizontal shape. It's a little windy out here, so forgive me. Watching today's YouTube tutorial, make sure to comment below what other tricks you'd like to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, thanks for being a part of our Flowstar family.